Okay, so this one is the problem that a solid paraboloid of base R naught and height H naught having uniform volume mass density rho s inverted placed above the surface of water as shown of a liquid having volume density rho L. Rho L is density of the liquid. When the paraboloid is released from rest, it's observed that when it becomes completely submerged, the paraboloid comes to rest again. Okay, so first we'll do it in this way actually. This is the paraboloid, and if I draw the axis here, x axis and y axis, the equation of this paraboloid, I mean the surface, the equation of this parabola is the equation of parabola. One is paraboloid is the surface you get on rotating this parabola about the y-axis. Now let this be y equal to kx square. Now y equal to k, so we can find out this k actually. So k equal to, if you substitute the values, so it's k is h naught by r naught square, right? So therefore the equation of this paraboloid is y equal to kx square. Okay, let's can keep it kx square and later on substitute the values, or it's like this, h naught by r naught square times x square. Now say we want to find the volume of this paraboloid up to a height y. See, that's y, and say this small change in y, that is the thickness, is dy. So take out this disk, take this disk, so radius of the disk is the x coordinate at that place. So volume of the disk dv, volume of the disk is pi x square dy, that is pi x square means pi y by k times dy. Okay, so therefore volume, say up to height y, let's take it variable y, 0 to y, pi by k y dy, that is you will get here pi by k into y square by 2. So the volume up to height y, say up to height y, the volume, and let's make an intermediate diagram like this. So it's not fully submerged, say height y is submerged in liquid. That means that's y is below the free surface of the liquid. So I am talking about this much volume. This much volume I take as v, and this is this v actually. So v becomes pi y square by 2k. Now what we can do is that at this moment we can apply Newton's law. Newton's law means the mass. Acha, what is the total volume? Total volume v naught will be pi, y will be substituted by h naught. So pi h naught square by 2k. That's v naught. Okay. Now let's write Newton's law. Mass means rho s pi h naught square by 2k into acceleration. I'll write like this, v dv dy equal to weight means this is pi h naught square by 2k into g minus pi, so that's rho L pi y square by 2k into g. Therefore, so I can write here again v dv equal to just by, so this is G. So I'll just divide it by the mass of the solid, right? Dividing by the mass of the solid. So this becomes V dV is equal to G dy minus rho L by rho S times G again. So 1 upon H naught square into y square dy. Now what we can do, that we can integrate it. See, this varies from, it's in that it starts from rest. So when velocity is 0, y is 0, starts from rest. And when it comes to rest, see, it comes to rest when completely submerged this. So y is equal to h naught. So y is equal to h naught, and this becomes from 0 to 0. So integration limit becomes from 0 to 0, implies I can write here G times h naught is equal to rho L divided by rho S. G into, you get h naught cube by h naught square. Here it's so 3 here. So here this will cancel out, right? G h naught will cancel out. So you get here rho L equal to, so therefore we can write, therefore rho L equal to 3 times rho S. Rho L equal to 3 times rho S. So if rho L equal to 3 times rho S, this paraboloid will ultimately come to rest. And one thing also I've seen that we have seen this one thing, that it doesn't depend on the constant k. That means whatever paraboloid it may be, so that means it is independent, the phenomena. So that is option A is true. See, the phenomena is true for all paraboloids irrespective of their dimensions, as long as density ratio is maintained. So here's what we have got actually, rho L equal to 3 times rho S. That k doesn't count, right? And k means, ये देखो, ये this is the shape ना, ऐसे होगा, कैसे होगा, whether it is thin or the thick, like that, okay, whatever. So k depends on that, so it doesn't depend actually na. So this, the result, this answer does not depend on k, rather depends on the ratio of the density rho L by rho S. So again you have option D as correct. Rho L by rho S is equal to 3. So this answers the question. Thank you.